Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Don't aim for success. Aim to be valuable, and success will follow. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Success is doing the best you can with what you have where you are. The secret to success is found in your daily routine. Success is not just about what you accomplish, but what you inspire in others. The path to success is to take massive, determined action. Success is built on persistence, not excuses. Success begins at the end of your comfort zone. Create a life you don't need a vacation from. Success is a journey, not a destination. Make each day your masterpiece. A successful life is a result of hard work, patience, and a positive attitude. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. A successful life is one that is lived intentionally. Progress, not perfection, is the key to success. Life rewards the brave. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. Don't just exist, live with purpose. If you want to live a successful life, tie it to goals, not to people or things. Choose progress over perfection every time. Small steps every day lead to big results over time. Dream big. Start small. Act now. Discipline is the bridge between goals and success. Success is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Don't wait for the right moment. Create it. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but from what you do consistently. Focus on being productive, not busy. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise. Your life becomes better when you become better. A successful life starts with a strong mindset. Keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Your habits shape your future. Live with intention, work with passion, and success will follow.